Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to take a very quick look at another penny stock I want to keep on your radar for 2021, Seanergy Maritime Holdings Corp, ticker symbol SHIP. Remember, all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. Come on guys, please hit them like and subscribe buttons, so we can continue to bring you fresh content and the latest hot stocks. If you want to join our Discord community, it's 100% free and links in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Seanergy Maritime Holdings Corp is an international shipping company that provides marine dry bulk transportation services through the ownership and operation of dry bulk vessels. It generates a majority of its revenue from the vessels. The company fleet of vessels includes Fellowship, Championship, Partnership, Knightship, Lordship, Gloriuship, Leadership, Geniuship, Premiership, and Squireship. Seanergy Maritime Holdings Corp announced in January that it has joined the Neptune Declaration on Seafarer Wellbeing and Crew Change. The Neptune Declaration, a global coalition between over 300 companies and organizations. This maritime initiative focuses on the seafarer's welfare with actions that will, amongst others, facilitate crew changes during the pandemic and the ongoing lockdowns. The Neptune Declaration's four major aims are: recognize seafarers as key workers and give them priority access to COVID-19 vaccinations, implement high-standard health protocols, increase collaboration between ship operators and charterers to facilitate crew changes, ensure airline connectivity between key maritime hubs for seafarers. Stamatis Tsantanis, the company's chairman and chief executive officer, stated, "It is our honor and duty to actively participate in this significant coalition of global leading shipowners, charterers and banks aiming to alleviate and resolve this unprecedented humanitarian crew crisis. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have prioritized the safety and well-being of our crew, and we have acted upon this matter. Recognizing the importance of the seafarers community in the global seaborne trade, as well as in the ongoing success of our company, this continues to be amongst our top priorities. We hereby reiterate our strong commitment to this cause." The company successfully restructures an aggregate $179 million in debt after finally coming to terms with junior lender Gelco Delta Holding, thus curing the debt default disclosed 2 months ago. Under the terms of the agreement, existing shareholders will be diluted by approximately 10%. In addition, Gelco required the company to reduce the conversion price on $38.8 million in outstanding convertible debt by 99.5% to $1.20. Recent rally in Capesize rates has caused momentum traders to chase the shares, resulting in the stock currently trading at substantial premium to net asset value. Seanergy Maritime last released its earnings results on November 17, 2020. The shipping company reported 3 cents earnings per share for the quarter, missing the consensus estimate of 10 cents by 13 cents. The company had revenue of $19.65 million for the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $20.08 million. Seanergy Maritime has generated $12.16 earnings per share over the last year. Seanergy Maritime has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Thursday, February 11, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Institutional ownership percentage is 8.32%. 2 Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Seanergy Maritime in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is 72 cents, predicting that the stock has a possible downside of 35.14%. The high price target for SHIP is $1.14 and the low price target for SHIP is 30 cents. There are currently 1 hold rating and 1 buy rating for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Always do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, please like and subscribe for more content. It would really help the channel grow. Thank you and take care.